Here are the top 10 oldest languages in the world, based on written records and historical evidence. 10. Latin. Although it's considered a dead language, Latin is still widely used in many fields, including law, medicine, and science. The earliest written records of Latin date back to around 7th century BC. 9. Tamil. This ancient Dravidian language has a history spanning over 2,000 years. Tamil is still spoken by around 75 million people, primarily in southern India and Sri Lanka. 8. Persian Farsi. With roots dating back to around 525 BC, Persian is another ancient language that's still spoken today. It's the official language of Iran, Afghanistan, and Tajikistan. 7. Hebrew. This ancient Semitic language has a history spanning over 3,000 years. Although it fell out of use as a spoken language, Hebrew was revived in the 19th century and is now an official language of Israel. 6. Aramaic. With roots dating back to around 1100 BCE, Aramaic is another ancient language that's still spoken today. It was widely used in ancient Mesopotamia and was even used as a lingua franca in the ancient world. 5. Sanskrit. This ancient Indian language has a history spanning over 3,500 years. The oldest known form of Sanskrit is Vedic Sanskrit, which dates back to around 1500 BCE. 4. Chinese. The Chinese language has a rich history dating back over 3,000 years. The earliest written records of Chinese date back to around 1250 BCE. 3. Greek. With a history spanning over 3,500 years, Greek is one of the oldest languages still spoken today. The earliest written records of Greek date back to around 16th century BCE. 2. Sumerian. Spoken in ancient Mesopotamia, modern-day Iraq, Sumerian is the oldest known written language, with evidence dating back to around 3100 BCE. 1. Egyptian Coptic. With roots dating back to around 2690 BCE, Egyptian is considered the oldest spoken language in the world. Although modern Egyptians speak Arabic, Coptic is still used as a liturgical language by the Coptic Orthodox Church. Why?